Activate Windows, but not pop up like.
Oh, fuck's sake.
Still haven't activated that.
Oh, it's probably going to happen. Hello and welcome to Call of Duty Nazi Zombies, Custom
Hello.
Zombies. Today we're playing Backlot. I'm Niall, aka Toaster Millet, and I'm here with Michael, aka Mickey the Bad Man.
Bit of bad man.
Bit of bad man ting.
Right, me controls are still set. Get in.
Yeah, mine should be as well. This is a Nazi Zombies version of the Call of Duty 4 map, Backlot. And we've played through this previously and it's fucking solid.
Yeah, it's pretty hard.
In fact, we nearly finished it, but
I blame you.
yeah, I kind of like scrubbed out and
I'm sure there was a key around here somewhere to open a locker.
yeah, there is.
I've just found... Oh, I found one. Oh, this pistol's pretty good.
What, the P-26 or whatever it's called.
Yes, sir.
Indeedy.
Like 3 shot here.
I just realised it's like, oh, no it's not. I thought it was like a mini helicopter, but it's a toolbox.
Where?
It's just on here, I thought it was like a little mini helicopter.
Where?
On the shelf in that room.
You're stupid.
Yeah, no.
Oh, there's
shit.
pretty few now. Oh, I've just got hit. Do you mind not bleeding on us?
There's alarm down.
Oh, he's down already, lads. Oh no! Good job, our pro.
Expect a lot of this.
I'm coming, friend. Right now, I'm going to open the door so you can get a gun.
Sweet. I cannot remember any of the challenges on this.
Eagle, yeah. The challenge was big enough number between 1 and 150. Get as many headshots as whatever he's guessing. Put the spawn behind us all now. Did you get a gun?
No, I didn't.
Right, there's a deagle behind you. I'm still on the pistol, like I've still got ammo for it. But there is a locker in here, so I'm going to open it. Oh shit! I nearly got trapped. Double that. Right now I'm out of ammo.
It's never good.
I don't remember what my grenade was setting.
Fuck you. No, I missed. Fuck you in particular.
Yeah, help us please, I'm out man.
I think I'm gonna die.
You've got a deagle, haven't you?
It's out of ammo. Shit, I'm down. JJ!
What?
JJ!
You had a deagle?
JJ.
How'd you deagle out of ammo straight? You just bought it, man.
I forgot to reload it.
Are you mad? Fucking hell.
Oh god. Okay, take 2.
Fuck me.
Yeah, expect a lot of dying.
I blame you again.
That's fair enough.
Even though I went down, but I didn't have any ammo because I had a key to open the lock. I had to get a gun without spending money on a deagle.
Banter.
I can't find the key anymore. The key was on his barrel, but now it's gone. Oh my god! I'll just stay in this for 2 rounds or something.
Yeah, get out as soon as possible.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I was saying before, yeah, I use Origin as well as Steam to get games, and they like occasionally give you free shit. Like I got a copy of this really old game called Syndicate.
Woo!
Which it fucking sucks.
Congratulations, man.
It is the worst thing I've ever played. And they gave us like a week's worth of Battlefield 4 online.
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not bad. I can't remember what my grenade key was set to.
It's middle mouse, isn't it?
That's what I thought. I don't think it is. I'm opening this now.
Right.
Where's this key? I'm sure there was a key somewhere. Key. Right, I'm just gonna have to. What gun was in the hour game? Model. I would rather have the deagle.
I'd rather shit in my hands and crack.
Was it? Kill 115 zombies to unlock that door. I'm gonna buy the deagle.
That's it. At least one of us has to have 150 kills. It doesn't like share between you.
Oh! I tried to buy the deagle there, but I failed. No, it doesn't share between us. Just 115. Should get it fairly quickly anyway. I'm buying the deagle. I've got it.
Oh shit.
Insta ×2.
Right, now I can buy the deagle.
Yeah, well, I've already got 37 kills, so 115 is not bad.
Yeah. I'm still ill, you know.
I'm a bit ill, to be honest, still.
Got a wee case of the sniffles.
No, I've just been lying in bed all weekend, mate.
Yeah.
Started watching The Walking Dead.
Oh, did you?
Have you seen any of them?
Yeah, yeah.
What season on?
I got up to season 3 and then stopped watching it because I didn't have time.
Alright. Well, I'm on season 2 now.
Yeah, what do you think of it?
It's alright. Not the best series I've watched.
Yeah.
It's alright. I'm up to when that little kid Carl's just got shot in the woods.
Spoilers.
It's old as fuck now, everyone's... Right now I'm on babies.
And I've just killed it.
Do you want to just stay in the start area until one of us gets 115 kills? For the mystery box.
Aye.
Sounds good. Sounds like a plan. Oh, wax ammo. That's the one, John. There should be a key somewhere you want to get.
Isn't this the one where if you don't take any damage from the dogs you get something?
No, I think that was a dead ship.
Oh yeah, yeah, it was.
When you're on the boat.
Speaking of dogs.
Oh yeah, they're like the alien dogs, aren't they?
The horrible ones.
Oh! I missed 2. They just came straight for you. Oh, that range! Why did they come straight for you? I don't know my attacking us.
I don't know.
Oh yeah, Jug was up there, wasn't it?
Yeah. Do we need to turn the power on or anything?
Yeah.
We need to turn the power on.
I remember where it was. Box ammo reload. Oh, just get it! 62 kills. Not bad, we've got deagles, so I'm going to use me other pistol.
Yeah, same, it's just a bit faster.
I'm going to see if it's still decent or not. Stop!
Wait a minute.
I can hear them everywhere, but I can't see them. Oh, it takes like a full clip to kill them actually. Might not be that good. Oh, what's that? Oh, pop.
It's a noob.
No, I just didn't get it. We need points. There's a crawler there. Shall we leave him?
Yeah.
Eagle's a piece. Boom! Headshot. Boom! Boom! Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, it's the crawler.
Little ankle biter.
Showing me little knife popped on. Insta. Secondary pistol.
I think it's a bit late to be getting insta-kill in this round.
And I'm just going to quickly search for that key, because there was a key here just before. Like, no key there. Well, kind of found it. Sure, there was like an M4 or something in the locker as well.
Yeah, I'm
just
sure
kill
there's
that.
like... Oh, that's a pistol.
Just kill it if you want.
Let's just like reload everything.
Can't find any keys, just kill it. Stupid undead bastard.
It's not very nice.
That's what he said, I was just copying him. Oh. Should should we be going for? I'm thinking I might go for headshots to get this.
What did you get from that?
A perk, I can't remember which perk though.
Is it not a PhD?
Nah, that was a different one. Oh, it was a Deadshot Daggery. Sure, the Deagle is so good. Not good for points, but still, one-shot kill.
Yeah.
It's not a new. Nah, just leave it.
It's good for like where it's not really good for crowd control either, which is the only.
That's what it is. Scans for everyone. Boom.
Saying that you can get the double kills with it, but.
Yeah, fuck. Oh, triple kills with it, man, mate. Oh,
it's just a bit slow, is the only thing.
That was the last one. I only need 4 more kills. I think, no, 6 more kills. And then the door opens over there.
Oh.
So, make a crawler this round. Oh, that's what my grenade got. We'll make a crawler. Not yet, though. Boom, boom. Bam, bam, chicken kills challenge complete. We're here.
I swear I'm the worst shot ever in this game.
×2. Oh man. Oh, why does it give us the thing? Well, you better survive, mate. You got a deagle. Go back up the stairs if you have to back off.
I should be okay, actually, I think.
Revivers.
Revivian.
Thank you, sir. Do you want to chance the mystery box now?
Yeah.
You sure?
I want to get rid of this other pistol.
Right, well, I'm buying. I've just bought ammo for my deagle because I think I'm going to run out. Right, open up. Ah, was this a bad choice? I think it was.
Yeah.
It's all down to me, friend.
Good thing you're pro.
Of course I am, Tyrone.
I think I'm gonna.
I am.
I think I'm gonna die. So if you can just hold out for the rest of the round. Yeah, I'm gonna die.
Yeah, you definitely are. Oh!
This is why we should have Jug.
Understand?
And that doesn't help.
Okay.
Fine.
I'll let you get a gun first.
Sweet.
What's this one? MP5? Nah, I don't want to get that. What was it? Oh, nice.
Monkeys.
Dogs.
Sandy.
I think, yeah, it's dogs. Just kidding with one.
That I do.
What do you get?
MP5.
Yeah, I got an AUG. That's not bad at all. Is the patter punch in this? Oh,
I think it is, yeah.
It was the shooting the thingies, wasn't it? It wasn't the machine. It was shooting the.
Oh, yeah, shooting the teddies.
Not the teddies, what were they? The elves. Oh, not the gnomes, garden gnomes.
Is this the one of the fucking Doctor Who thing?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm doing this one more time. Thomas. Oh, I'll keep the AUG. Right, I think we'll
Watch my yours.
I think we're gonna have to move from there now.
I'll just come back next round.
Yeah, sweet. Right now, follow me. I'm opening some of those.
Oh shit, the power's in here, innit?
Yeah, but we're not getting it yet. We're just gonna have to hold off, like, here maybe?
Yeah.
Actually, no, yeah, I'm opening this. Move back now. Hold off down here. So this round we'll make a crawler. Get Juggernaut. Alright, turn the power on, get Juggernaut, and I'm reloading by the way. Yeah, I'm not, I've reloaded, I've reloaded. Are you grenade out there, man? Oh, monkey, don't kill him. Did he kill anyone? I mean, any go. Wait, down for it. Grenade out. I've made a crawler. Don't kill that crawler. It is pretty difficult, this map, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really hard. Which is why I shouldn't be playing it.
Oh, I had a little lag spike there. Right. There's only. Oh man. Change to me. No! I just nearly died there. I can't get old. I'll revive it.
Sweet. Just in time.
Ooh! Right.
Oh shit.
Right, you.
My
What
bad.
box? Do you need box?
Yeah, yeah.
Right, you go to the box and that. I'm gonna turn the power on, get drug and stuff like that, man.
Right, sweet.
There's a challenge down here as well. Earn 75 extra kills.
That shouldn't be too hard.
Right, the power is on now. Speed caller was in the middle. What you get?
Models, but I'm swapping them out.
Ah, fuck that, swap me on. You need the minigun now.
I know, Anna.
That was
Jesus
so good.
Christ.
What you got?
AN94.
Right, make sure you still have a juggernaut.
I'm gonna get it now and then come back.
Alright, I'm trying the box a couple of times. Because my Org's got one clip left.
Teddy bear.
Wonder Waffle, fucking shit. I hate the Wonder Waffle. Winchester, no thanks. If you give us an M10, I would be happy.
Excuse me.
Teddy, fuck off. Actually, that might be better for her.
Maybe.
See where it ends up. Come on, teddy bears!
It'll be over that way.
What?
It'll be over that way, won't it?
That's what I'm thinking, but I think there was a box location at small.
Yeah, just there. We'll get in through yet? No. Yeah, we can't.
What?
No one wants to let us open the door.
You can't open that door, can you?
It says I can, but...
Oh, I think you have to open it from the inside.
Alright.
Right, the crawlies out there. Oh, that means I'll have to open another door to get to it. That's fine. What was it? 1500. Fuck, man. I think I've opened every single door.
I don't even know where I'm going now, I'm just kind of like...
Got the RPK. Nah, I don't want that, actually.
Actually, this is alright because we know where all of the
Not good.
unlockable shit is, don't we?
Mm-hmm. Fuck off, I've just got rid of that. You got a good gun, yeah, I'm raging. Ha!
It's cheaper than it is over there.
It makes fucking up, by the way.
Is it? Alright.
Yeah. Fuck off! Oh, I didn't even get my money back for it.
Damn thing just vanished.
What? It just stole me money.
I should start a new round then.
Oh, no, I need a gun now. But your mic's like, fucking hell. Don't kill that now, I've only got a fucking Winchester. I just need a gun. Did he get you?
Yeah, I got it. Did you?
Still fucked up, man.
What?
Your mic's still fucked up a bit. Talk again?
Hello.
Man, that's fine now.
Yeah.
It's better.
It'll probably happen time to time, but like as long as it doesn't affect the audio, then like on, because it's only recording what's coming through my headphones, and
Ah,
so it should be okay.
back in the starting position. Oh, that's good, but I still don't have a weapon. I got monkey bombs.
Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah, I've got them as well. I forgot.
Double monkeys. Where are you now?
I'm up on the stairs.
Is that where we're staying this round?
Yeah, might as well.
We're all gonna have to do all the work, mind.
Oh god.
I've only got a shotgun.
So I give her like halfway through this round.
What gun you got?
AN-94.
What else?
The Desert Eagle.
Actually, I've still got the Deagle. Let him come back up.
So I reckon we'll be okay.
You think?
I mean, I've got a fully auto, so...
If this shotgun's still one shot kill, it might be decent. Nah, it's not one shot kill. Oh, it is. Reloading. Get that insta. You've picked on the wrong marine, man.
I definitely have.
What idiots, man. I need a decent gun. Yeah, ending up. Just get as many instas as you can, because we need that challenge, don't we?
Yeah, it's wore off now.
Yeah. Thanks, dude. Nice. Well.
Shit, I'm reloading as well. Shit.
Right, I'm throwing a grenade in there. Something gets close. Did you just throw a grenade?
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet. I've got a cooler. I think that was the last, wasn't it?